Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see your watch history on TikTok. So if you want to see your prior watch history and you are using the TikTok app on iOS or Android, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate to your profile page by selecting the profile button at the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Content and Display, select Activity Center. And now there should be a Watch History section. Left click on that, and then it will give you a list of all the TikToks you've recently watched, and they'll be listed out here. You can also adjust the filter by date at the top if you want to search by a certain time period by clicking the little drop down here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.